Assalamu alaikum. Today is our 7th lab and we will continue. Sorry, this was a mistake as it's our 7th lab. So we will continue our logic gate practical, and the IC which we will talk about today is NOT gate IC, and the number of that IC is 7404. So let's start. Same like other experiments, these are the components we will be using for our today's experiment. That is a breadboard, a resistor to support our LED, logic gate IC, and the jumper cables, and a battery connection. So for the 7404, this is the IC, and here it is mentioned that which IC is this 7404, and NOT gate, this is simple, and this is the truth table. As you know that this is the most simplest gate, in which you can also say it is used as an inverter. Why inverter? Because if the input is 0, the output will be always 1, and if the input is 1, then the output will be 0. So today we are doing NOT gate, and the IC we are using is 7404 IC. This is the IC layout for 7404. Like other ICs, it has 7 legs on one side and 7 legs on another side, and same like other, the leg 14 is used for VCC for positive current, and left 7 is used for ground or a negative current, while the other pins are used for input and output. Now you can see that there is a quite difference between this IC and the previous ICs we used. And what is that difference? In the other ICs, there are always 2 pins for the input and 1 pin for the output, but in NOT gate, 1 pin is for input and 1 is for output. This means we can perform more experiments from this single IC. So a NOT gate IC can perform 6 applications at a time. While you remember for other ICs we can only perform 4 applications, because 2 pins are for input and 1 for output. But for NOT gate we can perform 6 applications, because half 3, this 1 2 3, these 3 and these 3. So 6 can be used for the input and 6 for the output. So now let's start. We will be using A1 and Y1. So pin 1 will be used for input and Y1 pin 2 will be used for output. So for the block diagram, first we will take the breadboard and we will put the IC 7404 on the breadboard. Second, we will connect our leg 14 with the positive terminal. Third, we will connect our leg 7 with the negative terminal, because this is connected with the negative. Fourth, we will connect our output of second pin with a resistor, and this resistor will be connected with our LED, and our LED is connected with the negative terminal. Finally, the pin 1 will be used for input. So this is the first step. First of all, we put 7404 IC on our breadboard. till battery is not connected, we will connect the battery in the end. The second step is we will connect the pin 14 with the positive terminal, because this is connected with the positive terminal of the battery. Now the step 3 is we will connect our pin 7 with the ground or negative, because this is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. I think now there is no need to explain a lot, because you already know these steps. You have to remember this step, because in practical I will ask, maybe in the Viva or in the written exam, to write down these steps, write down the steps for implementing NOT gate IC. So you have to write down these steps. Now step 4 is, because the first pin 1 is used for input, so we will connect this wire and we will leave this wire or jumper cable here, because we will give our input from this cable. Step 5 is we connect the resistor with the pin 2. Resistor is connected with the LED and LED is connected with the negative terminal, and this is the negative terminal. So this is our complete design, where this is the pin 7 for ground, pin 14 for positive terminal, pin 1 for input, and pin 2 for output through resistor and LED and to the negative terminal. So this is the complete setup. Now we will draw the truth table. So this is the truth table for NOT gate. Now we connect our battery and we will check if we give 0 input, the output will be 1 or not. 0 input means negative current and 1 mean positive current. So we will give negative current to the input. So here see, this was our input wire and we give to the negative current, because this one is the negative. So when we give the negative current, our LED start blinking. This means if we give 0, the LED will blink or the output is 1. Now we will check whether if we give 1 input, the output should be 0. So this means we will give positive current. So we put our input wire, this black wire, into the positive terminal, because this is the positive terminal. So after putting that into the positive terminal, the LED is not blinking. So hence our second part is also of truth table proof. So NOT gate only have this input 2 in the truth table, because it is as an inverter. So hence both are proved. So from today's experiment we see that 7404 IC can be used for NOT gate applications, and from a single IC we can perform how many applications. From you can see from the IC layout diagram, we can perform 6 application at a time, because 1 leg is for input, 1 is for output, 14 is for positive terminal and 7 is for ground terminal. Now we come towards the application of the NOR gate. I think this we will do in our second part of the video, because from this application I will also tell you about the assignment and the practical examples which last time I gave to you. So this we will do in our second part of the video.